Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make an easy salsa recipe. First, let's gather our fresh ingredients. You'll need about 3 ripe tomatoes, 1 small onion, a generous bunch of cilantro, and 1 jalapeno for a little kick. Don't forget 1/4 cup of fresh lime juice and a pinch of salt. These simple components are the foundation of a delicious homemade salsa. Now, let's get everything ready for blending. Start by roughly chopping your tomatoes, onion, and jalapeno. Remember to remove the seeds from the jalapeno if you prefer a milder salsa. Toss in your fresh cilantro. Place these ingredients into your food processor. This method saves a lot of time and ensures a consistent texture for your salsa. It's time to blend. Pulse your ingredients in the food processor. Start with short bursts, checking the consistency as you go. You want a chunky texture, not a smooth puree. Overblending can make your salsa watery, so be careful. Once blended, taste your salsa and adjust the salt or add more lime juice if needed. This step is key to perfect flavor. Your delicious homemade salsa is almost ready. Transfer it to a nice serving bowl. For the best flavor, I recommend chilling your salsa in the refrigerator for at least 30 minutes. This allows all those wonderful flavors to meld together. Serve it with your favorite tortilla chips, tacos, or grilled meats. Enjoy your fresh, easy-to-make salsa.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.